I noticed that I haven't put in here yet is some beeswax, which I will be putting some beeswax in there. But I just filled this little thimble with this wax thread. Then I've got several different styles of buttons and colors, and because I never know what I may need. Also, I'm gonna for an awl, I will be using my Swiss Army knife to use as an awl until I can make one to go in here. And as you can see, I've got an assortment of needles here. I've also got cell needles, 2 different sizes. Another thing that I want to make to go in here will be and I seen, I think he's Stillwater Bushcraft. I think it was his kit. I seen he had a drill bit put into a piece of wood, and I thought, you know, what if I run out of buttons or I lose these? If I have that little drill bit, I can drill, you know, just pick up a good piece of dry wood and drill me some holes in it and still make a button out of it. But that's about the go of it for right now. And of course, I am going to get me a piece of cloth, you know, for if you're in the woods, you always tearing holes in your clothes, and or I am anyway. And Lord knows if you rip your boot open or something, you don't want to walk around with it flopping and tripping you up everywhere. So anyway, that's what I've got in here so far. Another thing that I'm about to make is I seen this Bryan Sells and all them had it, and Matt Mercer, he and as you can see, I still got plenty of room to put other stuff in here if I need to. But I just thought it was a cool little thing to do, keep all my sewing gear together. Alright, hold on just a second, let me readjust the camera again. Alright, so the other thing I'm going to do is Matt Mercer just showed on not too long ago on one of his videos where he made a dangler for his knife, you know, where it sets down lower and not right up against your belly. I mean, with people like me, you know, I've got a big old gut, and what can I say? I like to eat, man. So I thought that was a cool idea, and I thought, well, I'm gonna make some for mine. I've got 4 knives that I really love to carry. Usually I carry my old hickory butcher knife with me when I trap, because it's good for skinning, you know, and I also carry a pocket knife. But it's real good for skinning, and sometimes when I'm out on the trap line, I just get spunky and might catch a muskrat or something, cook it up right there on the creek. And most of the time, though, I just bring them home and skin them here and whatever with it. But I got 3 knives that I really love. 2 of them were gave to me. 1 of them I bought myself. But I love to carry those knives with me when I go into the woods. And 1 of them I just recently got. Mark gave it to me. And if y'all ain't never been to his channel, y'all please go and subscribe. It's Mark H. Bama Bushcraft. He's got some traps and stuff on there that are just out of this world. And you want to learn how to do primitive traps, that's where to go. Anyway, he gave me that knife, and that's pretty much going to become an everyday carry for me, because I've just fallen in love with it. It's a contour Bushlore, and I just fell in love with it. So I'm going to be carrying it probably every day. And of course, I carried my Swiss Army knife with me. I mean, it's just got a lot of uses, you know. And then sometimes I carry a carving knife with me, and I mean just every day too. Little knife. And I've just about always got my case or a one of them little quick open, flip open knives. I don't know. Usually I have 3, but sometimes 4 knives on me, and plus my pistol. I don't know. That's just me. That's what I like. I know you say, well, you just said you was a Christian. What do you need a gun for? What do you need all them knives for? Well, I look at it like this. The Bible says, you know, to sell your coat and buy a sword. Well, them knives and that gun's my sword. Not to mention the Word of God, that's also my sword. But I can use it against the devil. And it's hard to use a knife or a gun against the devil. But God's Word will take care of him. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with carrying a weapon. I mean, I know the Lord said, you know, to turn the other cheek. If somebody slaps you in the face, you know, to turn the other cheek. And I believe in that. I believe that. But I don't think, you know, the Lord intended for us to just sit there and keep on being abused. I mean, that's my 2 cents in it. And I'll leave it at that. But hey, y'all let me know what you think about my little sewing kit and my little medicine bag and fire pouch there. Just leave me a comment down in the comment area. If you belong to my group, Southeast Bushcraft Base Camp, it's on Facebook. We got a bunch of good guys on there. Matt Mercer, Bart Hudson, and my mind's going blank. Brian Sells is on there. I mean, we've got some good people on there, a lot of skills on there. So go and check them out. Go check us out. We like to do things. We're more of a on-hands group. We love to go out camping. Matter of fact, I can't go, but they're going down to Blackie Thomas's thing down in South Alabama this coming weekend, I think. And I think there's going to be close to 60 bushcrafters there. Now, I hate that I'm missing it. there's going to be a lot of skill sets there. Also, I want to give a shout out to Blackie. I mean, he's got a good channel. I think it's Blackie Thomas Shaman's Forge, something like that. Put in Blackie Thomas, and I'm sure he'll bring it up. And again, Mark H, Bama Bushcraft. That's one of my best friends, but he's like a brother to me. Mark Hudson. I wanted to give a shout out to him. Matt Mercer, I know just about everybody knows him. If you don't, find him. He's got some great videos. Now I don't know him personally, but I like to watch Corporal's Corner, I think is what it is. He's got some fantastic videos. And then another friend of mine down in South Alabama, and he's really been a blessing to me, and that's David Kralik Outdoors. Great guy, really is. I enjoy talking to him. You get him and Blackie together and you can find all kind of history. If you want to know something about history, talk to those two. They are, wow. It's just amazing what they can come up with. Also, I'd like to give a shout out, and if I don't give a shout out to you on this one, I will eventually give you a shout out. But he's a new friend of mine, and he's got a good channel, and I enjoy watching it. He's just a down home country boy. And that's just plain old, I think it's plain old Chuck. Boy, I hope I didn't mess that up. But really, I hope I didn't. But he's I'm gonna make sure right here, right quick. Boy, that'd just tear me up if I did it wrong. Y'all just bear with me just a minute now. I think I've got the slowest computer there is. Should be right up here pretty close to the, plain old Chuck. I'll tell you what, he's got some nice videos out there. And Matt Mercer, his is Black Hat Bushcraft. And I tell you what, they all of them I just told you, they're some real good people. And I really enjoy their channels. I mean, I belong to so many, or subscribe to so many groups, and I tell you what, I can't keep up with them all, but I try to watch them and get on there and say something as much as possible. When I ain't doing something outside as far as bushcraft, then I'm watching bushcraft. You can ask my wife. I sleep, dream, eat bushcraft. Style North. I gotta give him a shout out because he gave me one. I tell you what, he's got some good stories. I love listening to them. just listening to him, it just makes me feel like I'm sitting at home. You know, I could listen to his stories all day. He's just a good old boy, and I really enjoy him. Also, I've got another friend I want to give a shout out to. His name is Michael Lewis. He has a channel on Facebook. He's always he goes out, I guess, every day and hikes right before he goes to work. He'll hike 3-4 miles. It's great. He always puts pictures on the Facebook group, and I enjoy watching, looking at him. But we're going to have, he's going to host a gathering for our group next month. I think it starts on the 17th there in Tennessee, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to go on that one. I don't know. I hope I can. I've never camped in Tennessee, but I want to. Now, I stayed in a cabin up in the Smokies, but it's been the first time I've ever camped. So, anyway, I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer. If you like what you're seeing and all, please like and subscribe to my channel. Share it if you would. And I thank you. I thank everyone that has subscribed for your help in keeping this channel going. And the only thing I can say now is God bless you, and I hope to see you in the woods. Till next time.